Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this tech tutorial we're going to guide you through how you can set a status in your ClickUp account. For example, if you'd like to notify your team members and coworkers of your upcoming absence. So let us get started right away. So let's assume you're planning to go on vacation or on holiday, and now you'd like to let your workspace team members know that you're going to be out of office. To do that, guys, to set a status, head over to your ClickUp account, log into your account, and what you want to do is click on the profile icon in the top right and select set status here in the top right. And after that, go, for example, with one of these suggestions like out of office until Monday, vacation, in a meeting for an hour, and so on and so forth. Or simply set a custom status here at the top, like, for example, I don't know, on vacation or something like that. And here to the left, assign an emoji, like, for instance, one of these emoticons or emojis related to food, to traveling, activities. So let me go with that palm icon here, for example, tropical island, and after that select remove status after, for example, let's say custom date and time, and you would like to be out of office, let's say for a week. So start with that date and then simply click on save here, and that's basically it. You may also enable the out of office notification so that it will be displayed during the time of your absence next to your name here on ClickUp, and you may also mute notifications if you like via email, mobile, or browser to not be bothered by them in the time of your absence or out of office. So that's basically it, guys. Click on save here, and that is going to apply the given status to your name. As you can see in the top right corner, you will see your status. You may, for example, click on it to update it, and all of your team members and co-workers will see that status as well next to your name. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.